The Humvee. You know it, you've seen it. It's a vehicle that has become synonymous with strength and resilience. A beast of a machine, built for any terrain, any condition. Whether it's navigating rocky mountains or plowing through muddy swamps, the Humvee is always up to the task. From the scorching deserts of the Middle East to the flooded streets of New Orleans, this thing is a survivor. It has proven its mettle in the harshest environments, showcasing its unmatched durability. It's the workhorse of the US military, and it's earned its stripes in every corner of the world. Whether in peacekeeping missions or combat zones, the Humvee is always there, ready to serve. The Humvee wasn't always a household name. It had humble beginnings, starting as a concept that many doubted would succeed. It wasn't always surrounded by the almost mythical aura it has today. It took years of development, testing, and refinement to become the legend it is now. It started as a simple idea: build a tough, reliable vehicle that can handle anything. Engineers and designers worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life, and man, did it deliver. The Humvee exceeded all expectations, proving itself time and time again in the field. The Humvee, or High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, HMMWV, if you're feeling official, quickly became a symbol of American military might. Its versatility and reliability made it indispensable. It's been in movies, TV shows, video games, you name it. The Humvee has cemented its place in popular culture, becoming an icon recognized worldwide. But for the men and women who rely on it, the Humvee is more than just a cool ride. It's a lifeline. It provides protection, mobility, and a sense of security in the most dangerous situations. It's a symbol of their service and sacrifice. The Humvee stands as a testament to the bravery and dedication of those who serve, embodying the spirit of American resilience and strength. Back in the 1970s, the US military was in a bind. Their existing fleet of vehicles was aging rapidly and struggling to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. Their current fleet of vehicles was, to put it nicely, outdated. They needed something new, something modern. A vehicle that could keep up with the fast-paced and ever-changing battlefield. Something that could handle the demands of modern warfare. It had to be versatile, durable, and capable of performing a variety of tasks under extreme conditions. Enter the FMC Corporation, now known as AM General. This company took on the challenge with determination and innovation. They answered the call with the Humvee. This new vehicle was a marvel of engineering, designed to meet the military's stringent requirements. It was designed to be rugged, reliable, and easily adaptable for different missions. The military loved it. The Humvee quickly proved its worth in various testing scenarios. Here was a vehicle that could haul troops, tow artillery, and even be outfitted with weapons systems. It was a game changer. Its versatility made it an indispensable asset on the battlefield. The Humvee could go places and do things that other military vehicles could only dream of. Its off-road capabilities were unmatched, allowing it to traverse the most challenging terrains. It was like the Swiss Army knife of military vehicles. Whether it was transporting troops, carrying supplies, or providing support, the Humvee could do it all. Need to navigate a minefield? Humvee. Its robust design and advanced technology made it the go-to vehicle for dangerous missions. Transport troops through a jungle? Humvee. Its ability to move through dense forests and rough terrains made it invaluable in diverse environments. Provide fire support during a firefight? Humvee. Its adaptability and firepower ensured that it could support troops in the heat of battle, making it a true workhorse of the military. The thing about the Humvee is its versatility. It's a vehicle that can adapt to a multitude of roles and environments, making it an indispensable asset on the battlefield. It's not a one-trick pony. The Humvee is designed to be a jack of all trades, capable of performing a wide range of tasks with ease. This thing can be configured for just about anything. Whether it's outfitted with specialized equipment or modified for specific missions, the Humvee can handle it all. You need to transport troops? Done. The Humvee can carry soldiers safely and efficiently across various terrains. Need a mobile command center? No problem. It can be equipped with advanced communication systems to coordinate operations in real time. How about an ambulance to evacuate the wounded? You got it. The Humvee can be transformed into a life-saving medical vehicle. and we're just scratching the surface here. The Humvee's versatility extends far beyond these examples. The Humvee can be fitted with a whole arsenal of weapon systems. Machine guns, grenade launchers, anti-tank missiles, the list goes on. You name it, the Humvee can handle it. Its robust design and adaptability make it a formidable force in combat situations. This adaptability is a major reason why the Humvee has been so successful. It's a vehicle that can be relied upon in any situation. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any mission. From reconnaissance to direct engagement, the Humvee is up to the task. No matter the challenge, the Humvee is up to the task. Its rugged build and advanced engineering allow it to overcome the toughest obstacles. It's a testament to the ingenuity of its design and the hard work of the men and women who build and maintain them. Their dedication ensures that the Humvee remains a reliable and versatile tool for military operations worldwide. Section 4. Desert Storm and Global Recognition. The year is 1991. The world watches as Operation Desert Storm unfolds in the Middle East. And there, in the thick of it, is the Humvee. It quickly became a symbol of American military might during the conflict. The Humvee was everywhere, zipping across the desert sands, kicking up dust as it went. It was used in every facet of the operation, from transporting troops to providing reconnaissance. The Humvee's performance in Desert Storm cemented its place in military history. It proved its worth in combat and captured the world's attention. News reports and television screens were filled with images of the Humvee in action, showcasing its capabilities to a global audience. It was a defining moment for the vehicle, solidifying its iconic status. Armor up. Answering the call. As warfare evolved, so too did the threats facing the Humvee. The rise of improvised explosive devices, or IEDs, and guerrilla tactics in conflicts like the Iraq War presented new challenges. The military needed to adapt, and so did the Humvee. The answer? Armor. Lots of it. The Humvee received significant upgrades to protect its occupants from these new threats. Up-armored versions, with thicker doors, bulletproof glass, and reinforced underbodies, became commonplace. These modifications were crucial in saving countless lives. The Humvee, once known for its speed and agility, was now a rolling fortress, capable of withstanding ambushes and navigating treacherous terrain. While the added weight came with some drawbacks, the enhanced protection was a necessity in the evolving landscape of modern warfare. The Hawkeye Mobile Firepower. The Humvee's ability to adapt is evident in one of its most impressive variants, the 2CT Hawkeye MHS. This mobile weapon system packs a serious punch, equipped with a powerful 105mm howitzer cannon. Imagine this: a target needs to be neutralized, but setting up a traditional artillery piece would take too long and risk giving away the position. Enter the Hawkeye. This thing can roll into position, unleash a devastating barrage, and disappear before the enemy even knows what hit them. The Hawkeye is a testament to the ingenuity of the Humvee platform. It's a prime example of how the vehicle can be adapted to meet the ever-changing demands of the battlefield. This mobile firepower is a game changer, providing swift and decisive action when it matters most. The legend continues. The Humvee has come a long way since its debut. It's an American icon, a symbol of military might, and a testament to American engineering. It's been through hell and back, and it's still going strong. And it's not done evolving. The military is constantly upgrading the Humvee with new technology and capabilities. New engines, improved suspension systems, advanced communication equipment. The Humvee just keeps getting better with age. The Humvee is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and unwavering service. It's a testament to the men and women who design, build, maintain, and rely on this incredible machine. And as long as there are challenges to overcome and missions to accomplish, the Humvee will be there, ready to answer the call.